waters of the Arabian Sea in the south to the beautiful pine-covered foothills of Himalayas merging to snow-capped peaks in the north, yellow sands of the Cholistan Desert, and vast lush green fertile plains of Punjab and their own colors in between. It is in this land of colors where peaceful applications of nuclear technology have taken their roots. Established in 1956, Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission is the flag bearer of these efforts within the aim to harness nuclear technology in all its forms for the socio-economic uplift of the people of the country. The foundations were laid for the establishment of Pakistan Institute of Nuclear Science and Technology, PINSTAC, in 1963 near the capital city Islamabad, which housed the country's first research reactor, PAR-1. The aesthetically pleasing building of PINSTAC is an amalgamation of modern and Islamic architecture. In this premier R&D institute of the country, scientists and engineers are actively engaged in R&D work in the field such as physical sciences, neutron activation analysis, isotope hydrology, and radioisotope applications. The 10 megawatt PAR-1 reactor produces radioisotopes, and PINSTAC supplies radioisotopes and diagnostic kits to PAEC, nuclear medicine and oncology centers, and other hospitals in the country. PAR-2, another small research reactor of 30 kilowatts located nearby, is utilized for neutron activation analysis, training of manpower, a well-equipped ISO-certified secondary standard dosimetry laboratory, and well-maintained library with large collection of literature on various nuclear and physical sciences-related topics are also housed within the same sprawling building of PINSTAC. PAEC has specialized labs for research in laser and optronics with modern and sophisticated equipment. Laser for photodynamic therapy has been developed for cancer treatment. The first nuclear power plant, Kenap, situated close to Arabian Sea, near Pakistan's largest city of Karachi, is producing electricity for the last 49 years. The safe operation of Kenap without vendor support is a source of immense confidence for Pakistani reactor operators, engineers, and technicians. For more nuclear power plants, Chashma Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4 are in operation adjacent to Chashma Biraj on the mighty river Indus, providing electricity to the national grid. The gross electricity generation power is about 1,330 megawatts, and these plants have been operating with very high capacity factors in an effort to help reduce electricity shortage of the country. At Karachi, the addition of 2 nuclear power plants, K2 and K3, is nearing completion. K2 has already started operation and is connected to the national grid, while K3 is expected to come online by early 2022. These 2 plants would collectively provide about 2,200 megawatts of electricity to the country. These plants are the latest technology, incorporating the best in safety mechanism and utilizing the best technology in their main control rooms, which is based on fully distributed control system, DCS, instrumentational panels. This technology makes the work of personnel much easier and gives much more information than control panels of previous generations. The setting up of K2 and K3 has also ushered in a new era of training with the installation of 1-to-1 scale simulator of the control room. This facility is now essential for not only training the manpower required for running K2, K3, but also for the future plants that would be set up in the country based on this technology. PAEC established various high-tech engineering units where manufacturing of the heavy and complex equipment and specialized welding facilities are available. These setups have been certified by Pakistan Nuclear Regulatory Authority, PNRA, enabling manufacturing of nuclear safety Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 equipment. The shining curve of plowshare, lush green farms and orchards, mustard fields with yellow flowers emitting aroma remind that agriculture sector is the mainstay of Pakistan's economy. Realizing the importance of the agriculture sector in the socio-economic development of Pakistan, PAEC has established nuclear agriculture centers across the country. These institutes focus on production of improved crop varieties, biological pest control, utilization of salt-affected marginal land, and management of agricultural water and plant nutrition. Biotechnology and genetic engineering is one of the emergent technologies in the modern era. PAEC took initiative in this important area and established Pakistan's first national center, NIPG, at Faisalabad. NIPG has developed molecular biotechnological techniques for crop improvement, disease diagnostic, therapeutic and drug discovery, bioleaching, bioremediation, and nanotechnology are being utilized in industries. Well-developed DNA markers and applied genetic labs are also providing services to public and private sector. IAEA helped to establish Pakistan's first ISO-certified veterinary drug residue laboratory, which now carries out food safety tests as per international standards. PAEC is the organization that introduced R&D culture in agricultural sector of Pakistan. Pakistan Radiation Services. Paras at Lahore provides sterilization services through gamma irradiation to national and multinational pharma industries. Paras Foods is an example of public-private partnership between PAEC and Pakistan Horticultural Development and Export Company, PHDEC, to provide irradiation services to food processors and food exporters. Nuclear medicine and oncology is one of the major area where nuclear technologies are being used to serve humanity. Many hospitals in the country use these techniques, but PAEC has again led the way. It now has 18 nuclear medicine and oncology hospitals spread all over the country for the diagnosis of various diseases and management of most types of cancers. These PAEC hospitals are catering for 80% of cancer patients of the country, most of them free of charge.
मैं यहाँ इलाज कराने के लिए आई हूँ अटॉमिक एनर्जी हॉस्पिटल जिला अस्पताल में, ये कराची में है और मुझे कैंसर हो गया था, इसका भरपूर इलाज हुआ है और मुझे रेडिएशन हुई है, मुझे बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ है। यहाँ दूसरे लोगों को भी आना चाहिए और डरना नहीं चाहिए। बहुत कम कीमत में, बहुत कम पैसों में इसका इलाज हुआ है, बहुत आसान तरीके से, और यहाँ सब लोगों ने बहुत ताउन किया है। मैं उनकी बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने एहतियात होकर बैठी हुई हूँ।
2 साल पहले मुझे थायराइड कैंसर डिटेक्ट हुआ था। पहले मैंने एक हॉस्पिटल में और दिखाया था, उन्होंने कहा कि आप 3 महीने और ज़िंदा रहेंगे, लेकिन उसके बाद मैंने नूरी में दिखाया और मेरा इलाज होता रहा और 2 दफ़ा मेरा आयोडीन सेशन हुआ है और मैं अब बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ और मुझे किसी किस्म की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है और मैं बहुत मशकूर हूँ कि नूरी में मेरा बहुत अच्छा इलाज हुआ है।
मैं अनमोल हॉस्पिटल में इलाज के लिए एडमिट हूँ। यहाँ पे जितने भी मरीज़ आते हैं अल्लाह के फजल व करम से ठीक होके जाते हैं और मैं भी यहाँ से ठीक होके जाऊँगी।
PAEC has set up general health care hospitals near its main establishments, providing basic and advanced health care facilities to its employees and general public. Realizing the importance of specialized human resource, PAEC established network of human resource development institutions. 24 well-equipped schools and colleges are providing quality education to prepare young generation for future challenges. For advanced scientific and technical education, Pakistan Institute of Engineering and Applied Sciences, PIAS, at Nilore near Islamabad. Karachi Institute of Power Engineering, KINPO, at Jacintu, Kanab, and Cheshnap Center of Nuclear Training, CHESCENT, have been established to train manpower of PAEC's nuclear program in general and nuclear power plant in particular. PIAS is a leading engineering institute of the country. offering graduate and postgraduate degree programs in nuclear engineering, systems engineering, mechanical engineering, power engineering, nuclear medicine, radiation and medical oncology, medical physics, and many related fields of sciences and engineering. KINPO and CHESCENT provide training programs for engineers and scientists with specific reference to nuclear power plant technology, operation and maintenance. National Center for Non-Destructive Testing (NCNDT) also provides training in the different fields of non-destructive testing. It has qualified and experienced faculty and well-equipped laboratories to conduct training courses in different NDT techniques. Pakistan Welding Institute (PWI) offers short-term basic and advanced welding technology courses at welders, supervisors, engineers at managers level. The journey which began in 1956 is still continuing with more fervor and zeal. Pakistan is vigorously working to further strengthen its partnership with IAEA and contribute towards achievement of sustainable development goals, overseeing the increasing use of peaceful nuclear technology to meet countries' development targets. Pakistan is also providing technical support to many developing countries in the areas in agriculture and nuclear medicines under the aegis of IAEA. Nuclear applications offer enormous benefits to many areas of our lives, including health, agriculture, food production, energy generation, and many sectors of industry.